Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to deflect an angle in MicroSurvey CAD. To get started, go up to the top and click MSCAD. Then move over to the left and click Compute Points by Turned Angle. Once here, you have to select a line to compute the angle from, making sure you click closer to the side that you want to start from. So as soon as I click, this arrow shows that I'm starting from point 4. Now, when deflecting an angle, MSCAD considers a deflection to the right a positive deflection and a deflection to the left a negative. So after you type D and hit Enter to select deflection in this command window, type your desired deflection angle, in this case -15 to deflect it left, and then hit Enter. Now, like all COGO calculations, you just have to enter the distance and description of the endpoint at the end of the deflection, that point's number, and then the side to place the bearing. So you can plainly see that this new line is deflected by 15 degrees from the first line we chose. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.